The forest remains calm as sunlight reaches the ground below the trees. Between dry leaves and patches of grass, a hoopoe walks slowly across the open woodland. Its long, curved beak moves carefully through the soil, searching for insects hidden beneath the surface. The bird pauses often, watching, listening, searching for movement in the ground below. The hoopoe's orange crown feathers rise slightly as it moves across the grassland. Its black and white wings stand out clearly against the quiet surroundings. Unlike many birds that spend most of their time high above the ground, the hoopoe often searches for food while walking calmly through open areas. Small insects, larvae, and other tiny creatures become important sources of food throughout the day. The bird suddenly stops. Its beak pushes quickly into the soil before pulling something from beneath the surface. After finding food, the hoopoe returns toward a nearby tree. Inside a hole in the trunk, hungry chicks wait quietly. The parent carefully feeds the baby before flying back down to continue searching once again. Throughout the day, the hoopoe repeats this routine again and again. Searching, finding food, returning to the nest. Even while feeding its young, the bird remains alert to every sound and movement nearby. As the forest grows quieter, the hoopoe continues moving carefully between the trees and grasslands. Its unusual colors and crown make it one of the most recognizable birds in nature.